one that is a new automation that we'll see how to introduce the sanitary systems in a easy way, and also a second one that is a new module to generate all the details or all the fittings and all the pieces that are necessary to then construct our plumbing installation. You see how to generate it automatically. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. I've just opened Site Plumbing here somewhere. I have a little beam model that I was created here, very basic, but it's going to be enough to show you how it works. Okay, so I have here some levels. Let me go to the kitchen level. Let's see it from a floor view like this. Let me activate and deactivate some things. For example, let's deactivate the spaces. Just showing to you here, I have like a kitchen. I have here a living room, a bedroom, and a washroom here, bathroom here. And these models, I imported the points here that are connected to the different sanitary appliances here, the sanitary equipment available in our model. Okay, so I'll use these points as reference to generate the sanitary system in this case, using these tools to automate this process. Okay, these tools, they will help us a lot to introduce the geometry of these plumbing systems, and you see a little bit how it works. Okay, so let's go. I'll deactivate here the furniture, maintain even I'll deactivate even the sanitary appliances. We don't need them. We just need these points that represent each one of these sanitary appliances. Let's start here in the kitchen. How it works. Okay, there is this new button here, generation. Okay, with different options here. Okay, just showing a little bit what are those options. So we have options to join two elements. We have options to join several elements. We have options to generate the path from one element to a branch. We have another option to generate the path from different dischargers to a inspection hatch. And we also have options here to generate the path along the horizontal pipe layout, and other options related to the vertical pipes, where they can recognize where are the shafts of the building and generate the vertical connections, vertical installation. Okay, the vertical pipes. So we will use some of them during this example. The first one that I want to show to you is this one that I think it's one of the most useful. Generate the path from the discharges to an inspection hatch. What is the idea? We'll add here a box, an inspection box, okay, a siphon trap, for example, and then we'll generate the pipes from this point automatically to this siphon trap, for example. Okay, so to do that, I'm going here to the general options first, and here in my list of inspection box, I already created a siphon trap. Okay, siphon trap, where I just defined a symbol for that, some properties related to the dimension. Okay, it's going to be a circular. There are some sizes, number of connections, the diameter. I consider that is a water seal here, and also this is very important. To be a siphon trap, we must consider that's a small discharge in this case. Okay, don't forget about that. Small discharge, that's the requisite to use this tool that I will be showing to you. Okay, so it's created. Here we have a library of different inspection boxes. Siphon trap is one of them. Okay, so let's accept it's here. And then to locate, to model our siphon trap, I will just go here to the siphon box. That list is now here. Okay, we can see here, or we can just change the format for this vertical format where we can see the names. Okay, so siphon trap, and I will add the siphon trap somewhere around here. Okay, in this building, before we add that, we have like a bin. Okay, this bin is 30 centimeters high. Okay, so I'll add my box under the bin. Okay, and to do that, I'll force the elevation here, considering the level kitchen, and adding a displacement of minus 0.4, for example. Okay, I'll add it somewhere here. Okay, yeah, cool. I'll just save, and now very easy. I'll go to generation and use the option to generate the path from the discharges to the inspection hatch. I'll select here, and I'll select the dischargers. Once I select all of them, I can confirm with the right button of my mouse, and then select the hatch, the box. And boom, here we have the connection created automatically. Okay, Let's do again just to show to you how it works. I'll delete, or better, I'll move my inspection box just to another place, just to show to you a little bit how the software will try to find the best path for you. So generate the path from discharges to inspection head, select the discharger's point, confirm with right button, click on the hatch, and then we have, okay? If we orbit, you see that even the vertical connections were created. By updating the information, you see the 3D version of that, and you see that everything here is connected, okay? Let's do one more just to show a little bit how it works. I'll just change here my levels, my views. I'm the kitchen level. Let me go to the bedroom level, where I have here some more elements. Okay, so in this case here, let's add one more inspection box, one siphon trap, -40. I'll add like here. Let's generate, considering this point and this point, connect there. Okay, and boom, here we have it. Okay, very, very simple, very easy to introduce. This is a toilet, so I will not connect to the siphon trap. I connect directly to the installation. You'll see in a while that how we can do that, also using one of these generation tools that are here. Okay, so let's imagine now we want to finish this installation. It's very easy. I'll just add some extra intermediate inspection box. Okay, so to do that, I'll go to the foundation level, for example. I'll do by adding one, maybe like maybe here. Okay, okay. Then what I'll do is gonna be copying this guy. Okay, I'll copy it somewhere here. I'll also copy this guy here around here. Okay, I'm just creating here some boxes, okay, somewhere here. And let's imagine that my supply connection point is somewhere here, okay? Remember, I'm in the foundation level, forcing elevation with 0 displacement, okay? So I'll just connect with a horizontal pipe the supply connection here, okay, to the box itself, the first box. Okay, so just connect there. Oh, sorry, this is not the right direction. So let's do again. Should be from here to here, actually. This is the arrow. Okay, and now I can show to you another generation option that is very useful too. Is this one here? Join two elements. Okay, so I just have to click in this box, for example, and then in this box, and it's gonna be connected, considering also the slopes. So that helps a lot, because here we are just drawing in 2D, but actually the software is calculating to us the slopes, the correct slopes. So that helps a lot. That increases a lot the time that for us, it's much faster, it's quicker to develop the installation. So let's do it again. I'll connect, for example, this box to this box. I'll connect this box to this box. I'll connect this box to this box, and I'll connect this guy to this guy. Okay, I'll also fix some parameters. For example, I'll consider that this box, I want to have at least 30 centimeters of high. The same I'll do for this one. Dimensions of 30 at minimum. Okay, just my criteria. We have this solution here, this situation here. If we update the 3D, we have this situation. Okay, almost there. Okay, we just have to connect our sanitary appliances, our toilet that is somewhere here, that is not connected yet. Okay, actually we can see that by activating here uh, our sanitary appliances that should be somewhere here. Let me show to you. So if we go here, yeah, there they are. Okay, so this is not connected yet, so let's connect it. To connect this guy, I will to show you one more generation option that is available here. Is this one here? Generates the path from the elements to the branch. Okay, let me turn off these plants here by turning off the furniture. Where are the furniture? The furniture shouldn't be here because it's turned off. Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, let's connect using this option here. Generate the path from the elements to the branch. Very easy. I just click here, right button, and click in the pipe, the branch that I want to connect. And it's going to be connected considering the slopes and also maintaining a 45 degrees angle. That's very important because then when we go to the digital model, it means when we transform this scheme, this project into a model that is detailed, these angles, they will be very important. Okay, with that information, we can design the pipes, update the results if you want, and then just keep going, finishing all the details related to the design of the installation itself. Okay, but here you saw that just in a couple of minutes we could design or almost everything that is necessary for us, the design of a sanitary system, just using these generation tools that are available here. And then you can just start extracting your reports, drawings, modeling, clash detection, quantities, and also going here to the digital model. Right?